Hazrat Itban bin Malik is the Prophet's companion who participated in the Battle of Badr from the helper's side. He entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my eyesight has become poor and I lead my people in the prayer. When it rains, the valley in between me and them flows, due to which I cannot go to their mosque in order to lead them in prayer. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I therefore yearn that you may come to my house and perform prayer somewhere in my house, so that I must fix that place as a prayer place. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, soon I will do it if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills. Hazrat Itban radiyallahu anhu says, next day, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, came in the morning. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the permission to enter, and I called him in. After entering the house, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not sit down, but said, where do you want me to perform the prayer in your house? Hazrat Itban radiyallahu anhu says, I pointed to a side of the house. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon pronounced takbir standing, and we all stood behind him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 2 units and then performed salutation. Hazrat Itban radiyallahu anhu says, we requested him to stay for eating the mince dish we had prepared for him. All the people from the neighborhood gathered in the house to visit him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and one of them said, where is Malik bin Dukhshan? Another one said, he is a hypocrite. He does not love Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, do not pass these remarks for him. Do not you know he has uttered La ilaha illallah only for Allah's pleasure? The bystanders submitted. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know it best. Some other person said, we observe his association with the hypocrites. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden hellfire for him who pronounces La ilaha illallah only seeking Allah's pleasure. Ibn Shihab states, I then asked Hussein bin Muhammad Ansari, one of the chiefs of Banu Salim, about this narration of Mahmud bin Rabi. He also testified it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1494.